Welcome to eMBA careercoach.net. What do I do? My name is Martin Buckland and I'm focused on advancing the careers of executive MBAs. I'm a multi-credentialed executive career management professional with multiple designations in resume writing and career coaching. Over a number of years, I've helped many thousands of executive MBAs advance their careers with resumes, cover letters, LinkedIn profiles, career management job search strategies, and how to advance their career. My aim is to partner with you and coach you to achieve your career goals. You entered that executive MBA program very ambitious, very driven, and often because of the onerous program, you come out exhausted. I am here to listen to you, nurture you, coach you, and help you and provide you with all the tools, share my knowledge over many years of passionate helping executive MBA graduates and candidates. I can advance your career.